Hey everyone! Today we're diving into an exciting innovation that's changing the game in sustainable construction. We're talking about the Clinker Ultrafine Mill for green cement manufacturing. Now you might be wondering, what makes this mill so special for eco-friendly cement? Traditional cement production is actually one of the biggest sources of CO2 emissions globally. But this ultrafine mill technology is helping to solve that problem in a brilliant way. Here's how it works. The mill grinds clinker, that's the main component of cement, to an incredibly fine powder. We're talking particles so small they're measured in micrometers. This ultrafine grinding creates cement with much better properties. The result? You need less cement to achieve the same strength in your concrete structures. Less cement means fewer raw materials, less energy used in production, and significantly lower emissions. But that's not all. The process itself is more energy efficient than traditional grinding methods. The mill uses advanced technology to minimize energy consumption while maximizing output. This isn't just a small improvement. We're looking at reductions of 15 to 30% in energy use. And here's the really cool part. The ultrafine cement actually performs better. It creates denser, more durable concrete that lasts longer and requires less maintenance. So you get a double benefit: better performance and environmental sustainability. Think about what this means for green buildings, sustainable infrastructure projects, and eco-friendly construction. From skyscrapers to bridges to residential homes, this technology can make them all greener. The Clinker Ultrafine Mill represents a major step toward truly sustainable construction materials. It's not just about reducing harm, it's about creating building materials that actively contribute to environmental goals. Companies adopting this technology are seeing real results in their sustainability metrics: lower carbon footprints, reduced energy bills, and better product performance. This is exactly the kind of innovation we need to tackle climate change in the construction industry. As regulations tighten and environmental awareness grows, technologies like this become essential. They're not just nice-to-have features anymore, they're becoming industry standards. What's particularly exciting is how this fits into the bigger picture of circular economy. The efficiency gains mean we're getting more from less, which is the core principle of sustainability. Looking ahead, we can expect even more advancements in this field. As the technology improves and adoption spreads, the environmental benefits will multiply. So next time you see a construction project, remember the materials matter. Innovations like the Clinker Ultrafine Mill are quietly revolutionizing how we build our world. They're proving that sustainability and performance can go hand in hand. And that's a foundation we can all build on for a greener future.